Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Link 10 wireless Bluetooth smart speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason. If it's not syncing with the app, or it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or anything like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you decide you just want to replace the speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a replacement. The other reason you might want to do this reset is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the previous connections and pairing history and settings off of it so that you can set this up basically like you're taking it out of the box for the first time. We can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do on this speaker is first make sure it's turned on. So if it's not turned on, we'll just come and hit the power button and turn it on. And then from there, we're just going to find this microphone mute button right below the power button and just press and hold it for 14 seconds. 14 seconds. And after 14 seconds, the speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up as a brand new speaker.